Simply turn the effects pedal upside down and remove the screws. Then, utilizing the existing hardware, thread the screw through either of the eyelets of a pedal link. Refasten the hardware screw back into the underside of the pedal. Once this is completed in all 4 corners of the pedal, then set up your signal chain. When you are satisfied with your setup, use the provided mounting hardware to fasten the pedals in place. What you have when finished is a steady, secure pedal chain that will be ready to go when you are. Pedal links are compatible with most manufacturers' effects pedals and work with pedal boards made of all materials. What makes pedal links unlike anything you've seen before is their strength and flexibility. Made from a durable nylon polymer that's designed to flex, pedal links compensate for any irregularities between the pedal and the pedal board.